Today, President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris visited the vaccination site at State Farm Stadium virtually as they look to understand what has worked and what hasn't at Arizona's first 24/7 vaccination site. And 12 News was the only station there all day as Dr. Kara Christ conducted the tour.
Team 12's Colleen Sikora is live at the stadium. And Colleen, what are the plans moving forward?
Well, the president and vice president called this site a model for other states to replicate around the country. They're vaccinating more than 8,000 people a day here with capacity up to 12,000.
I want to take you into the command tent.
A virtual visit from President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris.
And this site was developed to be replicable.
Taking best practices from the 24/7 vaccination site at State Farm Stadium to implement them in other states. President Biden saying the NFL commissioner has offered up all 30 of the football stadiums like this one to the feds.
So I think they're going to be coming to you to look at how you did it, because you're doing such a great job.
Dr. Kara Christ, director of the state health department, sharing what's worked and what they've had to adapt, like how they're keeping up with supply on site is by offering shots to others who are in the car with someone who has an appointment.
Each site has its own unique challenges and learning what would work best and what's the best customer service. So like one of those learning curves is making people's appointments for their second dose before they even leave the lot.
At the end of last week, the state had used 72% of the doses they've been given. Chris says they're still working to get that percent utilized number higher.
Really trying to make sure that we're using first doses as first doses and getting them into places that can do high volume relatively quickly.
Chris says the state has also resubmitted the request to the feds for 300,000 additional doses per week. A previous request was denied before Biden took office.
We know that we're not the only state asking for additional resources.
President Biden offering more help as well, with goals of vaccinating over 300 million Americans by the end of summer.
If we need more vaccinators, we'll send them. We'll find them for you.
Dr. Chris says another vaccination site like this one is in the works for Pima County. The details are still being worked out, but it'll be coming online in the next few weeks. We're live at State Farm Stadium. Colleen Sikora, 12 News.
All right, Colleen, thank you.